So in the last session, where we are, guys? I think we are in frameworks, right?
Yes,
Okay.
we did the
We are
linear
going
and
to
the
discuss.
modular.
Yeah, linear modular we just discussed. Data driven also we just discussed. Okay. So next we need to discuss about the fourth one, important one. That's what I explained earlier, right? So what is meant by that is keyword driven framework. So in the keyword driven framework, how the work will be processed, I will explain you clearly. Okay. So observe here. Keyword driven framework means any word used as a key to the script line, okay, or a reserved word used to identify the okay. Okay, fine, Ashin. I guess I am. Okay, so keyword driven framework. So observe any word used as a key to the script line or a reserved word used to identify. For example, here we are writing some script. Okay, so for that total script, I am giving you one special keyword. By using that keyword, we can able to call that one, right? So here, what we are doing is we are using keywords to call the scripts. Keywords to preparing tests. Okay. So observe here these keywords. Any word used as a key to the script line or a reserved word used to identify the keywords to script lines to call, right? So in this we can do keyword driven framework. Observe it is a so observe in this if this is one approach. In this we can use keywords preparing test, right? So for that what we need to do, first of all we need to create tests, okay, and make them as functions and call them. We need to create tests and make them as functions and call them. Okay, before going to discuss about the keyword driven framework, okay, before going to discuss about this concept, first of all, in order to maintain, okay, our folder structure, it's for some folder structure is some folder structure is required for us, right? So in order to create, store, manage, organize all the project files, we require well defined folder structure, right? Or it's a mandatory element. Okay, so how you are going to create a folder structure? First of all, one folder is there with the name of project. Within that folder, we need to create a 6 subfolders like what? Test data and requirement, object repository, functional library, right? Environment, okay? So test data and test script. So test script and test log, like this total 6 subfolders are there. Okay, so in the each folder what type of content it is going to save, I will explain anyways. Okay, right? So how the work will be processed, I will explain you. Okay, so observe here, of course we can able to create the folders normally also, but here we are acts as a automation tester. So we need to create the folders automatically, right? We need to create the folders automatically. Okay, so how we are going to create a folder automatically means by using file system object method. Okay, by using file system object method. So here Create a folder structure with the help of FSO, file system object method. Okay, so what is this one? It is used to create a flat files. Okay, it is used to create the flat files. Observe what is the syntax for there is. Observe set FSO equals to scripting dot create object of scripting dot file system object. So here FSO dot create folder, like I want to create a folder. So what is the path of the folder? We have to specify it. For example, here I want to create a folder in my computer. In C drive. So here I want to create a folder. Okay. So here I want to create a folder with the name of Ropali. So guys, is there any folder name with the name Ropali? No. There is no folder with the name of Ropali, right or not?
Yes.
Okay. So right now I am going to create it. Okay. So how I am doing is observe. First of all, what I am doing? Syntax, right? Right. So syntax is here. Okay. So FSO stands for file system object method. It is used to create the flat files. Flat file is folders, Excel file, marks, okay, document, text document. We can able to create by using this one. Scripting dot file system object. So FSO dot create folder. What is a folder? Okay. So here the path of the folder we need to paste it on. Okay.
Suresha,
Yeah.
sorry for interruption, but I wanted to ask you that they installed the software in my laptop, but I don't know how to get started with it.
Okay, I will explain you.
Yeah, thank you.
After finishing this concept, I will explain.
Okay.
So observe here. Okay. So here, what is the name of the folder you want to create it? Propali, right? So observe, right click, just hit the run button. Automatically observe the folder is created over there. Once we hit the run button. So observe. Right?
Yeah.
Automatically folder is coming, right or not?
Mm-hmm.
Like that work will be processed. So under this Rupali, I want to create 6 subfolders, right? Like test data and requirements like this. Okay. So how we are going to create a 6 subfolders means six, right? So here, what is the first one? Test data requirements. Next one is environment. Next one is object repository. Functional library. Test script. Test log. So right now I am going to use the run button. Okay. Okay. So observe, once I hit the run button, just what happens. Automatically 6 subfolders are created. Just observe. right? 6 subfolders are there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 6 subfolders are created automatically. So in each folder, how the work will be processed, we will discuss. Okay? In each folder, what type of data it is contained. First of all, test data and requirement means project related all files like test data, FRS, SRS, everything will be stored here. So file extension is .doc, .txt files. Okay, .xls files, right? So test data and requirements. So after that, object repository. Object repository means what? Project related all properties and values will be stored here, right? We know already. So earlier we are trying to store the object repository files also, right? All those files we can able to store here with the extension is .tsr. TSR stands for text share repository. Okay, text share repository. Next, environment. So right now we are going to discuss about the environment concept. Project related secure data will be stored. Okay, in the form of .xml format, extendable markup language. Okay, .xml means extendable markup language. So is it clear? Is it clear?
Sarisa,
Yeah, Ashim.
can you repeat that again, please?
Uh,
From number
which one?
one?
Which one? Like
From,
what type of data is it? Yeah?
yeah, I think like from number one. You can just brief it, I think that it,
So no issue. I will repeat it, and practically also we are doing Ashim. No worry. Okay. So like
okay,
practically also right now by using this example we are doing now. Okay. Practically also I am doing it. Okay.
all right,
Then I am
okay,
saying that test data and requirement means all the project related files like test data, requirements, plan preparation, everything is there, right?
mm-hmm.
Everything will be stored in the test data and requirement. Like so .doc files, txt files, xls files, all those files, Excel sheets, everything will be
Okay,
stored. Object repository means object repository files are there, right?
mm-hmm.
Okay, so that object repository files we are going to save it. Okay. So
Okay,
with the file extension is .tsr test share. After that,
that's the
functional
syntax.
test shared, not a syntax, it's just a dot extension. I will explain okay while we are doing.
Oh, okay,
Okay, so functional library means project related keywords. Okay, what right now we are going to create keywords, right?
mm-hmm.
Okay, so project related keywords will be stored here with the form of dot VBS visual base. Okay,
Okay,
so next environment means project related secureable data will be stored. Okay, with the dot XML format, dot extendable markup language. Okay, extendable markup. So after that, test script. Test script means all the project. Okay, all the scripts will be stored here. Test log means project file will be stored. Okay, project file will be stored here. So like the total work will be processed. This is clear?
okay,
Okay. So of course, right now practically we will explain more. So like this is. And observe here keyword driven framework. Okay. So with the keyword driven framework, I am going to explain the environment concept. Okay. So observe any word uses with the script like. Okay. So a result word used to identify the script to fall in this data driven framework will use. So for this, what we are doing, we are preparing keywords, right? Okay.
mm-hmm.
So Direct keywords, what we are doing first, we need to create this and make the match functions, right? So how the auxiliary process is and everything I will explain you. So as per this one, first we need to create a script, right? And after that we need to make the match functions and call them, right? So right now I just prepared the. So here, flight application, total 3 modules are there. All the related script I am going to generate it over there. Hit the record button. Observe. All the related 3 modules related script, just click on OK button. Go to file, open order, OK, then close it. So total, that script I just generated, and I want to open the script automatically, right? So system util dot statement also I'm using, system util dot run. So flight application, path of the application, right? So right click and properties, copy it and paste it out there. Okay, so I just copy and paste it out there, right? So right now here I'm just going to copy entire thing. Just copy this one, take a notepad, okay, and paste it. Observe here, I want to save this one. I want to save as a, okay, in my computer, okay, in my computer. So here we are in the C drive, we have created a thing with the name of Rupali, right? So here tester script means, as I told you, right, all the script file will be stored, right? So here I am going to save this one as a level 1 script. Okay, all the script file will be stored. So right now, actually, this is securable data. I already explained you environment concept also I am going to explain here. So this is all securable data, right? I don't want to maintain in the script line. So user ID, path, okay. Okay, this user ID and password, everything is securable data. I don't want to maintain in a script line. I just want to maintain this one in a, I don't want to maintain this in a script line, okay. I just want to maintain this one in a some securable location. So where is the securable location means, first of all I just remove this one. Where is the securable location means, go to file, settings. Okay, so under this environment is there, that is the securable location. Here it is. So in the built-in, this is a built-in and user defined environment is there. So this is a securable location. Here we are going to save it, like how means plus symbol is there, right? So just click on plus symbol, whatever the things you want to save, you just provide it. So I'm giving it as a path. So what is the path? This is the path, right? Click on OK. Next, I want to give the name, like username. So I'm giving it as user. Observe, whatever the name is there, with the name only, from here to script line we are going to call the values. Okay, just remind, make sure that means. So value, what value we are giving? I'm giving it as a user ID Sirisha and password. Please PWD I'm giving Mercury. So like that I just saved out there. After that, so for future reference, if you want to call this script, it's compulsory we need to call these environment variable. So for that I am going to export this one. Just click on export. I am going to save these environment variables, right? So that I just click on export. Okay. So observe here where I want to export in my computer, right? Okay, C drive, Propali, right? So environment here is the securable data. Observe, as I explained, it is automatically saved in .xml files, means extendable markup language, right? So we don't need to externally do it. Okay, just it is automatically stored. So here I am going to do it as a flight. It is saved, right? Apply and OK. Right? So these values from securable location to the here I want to call. How means answer. Just declare any value. So I just declared x equals to observe environment dot value. Environment dot value. First of all I want to call the path. So I just specified the path. Next y equals to environment dot value, right? Y equals to environment dot value. This is the user, right? I just specified the user. Next, z equals to, and we can able to declare any variables, guys. Okay, there is not having any. So path is the password. I just declared as the password, right? PWA. So like that, observe path value will coming from the securable location to the x value. X value we have saved the path. So user is saved in a y value. Password is saved in a z value, right? So whenever you want to use path, simply call x. That's enough, right? Here I want to use the path. So just simply call x. That's it. Okay. So here you want to use already, and here you want to use password. Like that, simply you can able to call those ones. So right now I am trying to hit the run button. Let's see what happens. One second. Maybe I'll just close this one. So right now it is automatically open and it is executed, right? So from securable location to the script line, data is formally, right? Perfectly, right or not? Okay. So I just need this one, remove and place it over there, and here is the level 2 scripts. Okay. Same as level 2 scripts. Okay. Next, object repository files are there, right? So object repository files we are going to save it as save here, right? Yeah, once I just open the repository files. And of course, in the test data and requirements are there. So here, I want to save this. How means go to file, export local objects. Okay. So where I want to export, see, Rupali, the object repository. Here I want to export this, right? With the name of. Observe, I already explained it is stored automatically in .tsl extension, test shared repository. Okay, just save it. Right. Okay. So next, FRS document is there, right? Okay. So right now, functions, right? So how are make them as functions? First, we need to create a scripts. I just created it, right? Make them as functions and call them. So how we are going to make them as a functions? Means, for example, here up to this one is login, this one is open, and this one is closed. I want to make it as 3 functions. That's my wish. I want to make this 3 functions, right? So if you want to prepare as a function name, just give function and space. Automatically syntax is given. After that, what keyword you want to use, right? For example, here I want to give login A. This case sensitive, you need to give the exact one. Okay. So then observe. Up to this one, we are creating as one function. Okay. So after that, direct functional space. Let's say open B, right? Function space, right? So it's closed, right? Like the total 3 functions I just created. So observe first of all, just copy it and just do it and paste it out there, right? So I want to save as, go to file save as, I want to save it as a level 3 script. With this, at the same time, observe, go to file save as in a functional library. Okay, in my computer, C drive, Rupali, right? Okay, functional library means all the project related keywords will be saved here, right? So with the form of VBS, Visual Basic, right? So I'm going to save it as a flight.vbs. Okay, so like that we save. And one more thing. So observe here, did you observe? Each and every folder we have created different. Environment means environment folder. So object repository means object repository. Functional library means functional library. Test script means all the script. Test data and requirements means all the FRS document, everything like test data here. Okay, so FRS document, everything will be saved out there like that. So whatever the data, each file we are going to say, store the data, right? Is it clear? Okay, so right now I want to call this one. Right now I want to call this. I'm not doing anything. Just take a new test. Just remove entire thing. Just take a new test. So here we are not doing anything. Just simply by using keywords I am going to call it. Login, right? Open me. Close. Okay. So before going to call this one, we need to add the repository, right or not? Go to resources, associate repository. Okay, plus symbol is there. So where we store in a C drive, Rupali object repository. Here we are saved, right? So just take that one, associated, click on OK. So some securable data, some securable location it is saved in some securable data, right? So go to the environment. So user defined. Here we need to load that. How means here we need to click on that one, load variables from external files. Where we save this. C drive, right, Rupali? So here it is environment. Environment we have saved that one, right? So just apply. And also go to the resources. Here it is associate functional libraries. Functional libraries also we are associate, right? How means just click on plus symbol, browse it where we can put C drive, Rupali here. In the functional library we are having data. Just gather it, click apply and okay. So right now just observe. If I hit the run button, observe what happened. By just we are using keywords only, right? So all the data will be executed. Observe, right? All the data will be executed perfectly. So this is what about? This is what about keyword driven framework, right or no? User defined framework or keyword driven framework. Is it clear, guys? Just practice. Practice is more important for this concept. Yeah, otherwise it will get some confusion. Okay. So after that, hybrid. So hybrid means actually today's market no one uses. Combination of any two frameworks, we are specifying it as a hybrid. Combination of any framework, we are specifying it as a hybrid. So just combine, you know already, a linear and data driven, right? So just combine these two and you can prepare it as a hybrid one. Okay, I'm just giving assignment to you, all of you guys. Okay, hybrid framework. Just give assignment like this. Okay, so with that, frameworks will be finished. Is it clear, everybody? Framework concept is finished.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so and yeah, Ankita, you told me is to install it. So I'm giving a presentation. Just share your screen.
Okay.
Did you share your screen, Ankita?
Yeah, it's showing me show my screen. What do I need to do in it? There's no option.
Just click on that one. Whatever I just gave you option, right? Just click on show my screen.
It's saying click on click close X. Oh, okay. Can you see it?
Not it. Yeah, right now. Okay. Okay. So here it is now. If you here
Yeah.
right? So
I
just click
made
on
this QA, then what do I need to, I mean, how do I need to get started?
in this virtual machine.
Okay.
It will be open.
Oh, okay. And what about the application? Like you are using that flight
Yeah,
application?
I will get it to you. Okay. I will open it.
Okay.
Rupali,
Yeah.
did you download everything?
Yeah.
So whenever so like what time is comfortable to you, then I will install it for you.
How long would it take?
Just 5 to 10 minutes. That's it.
You wanna do it tomorrow morning?
Yeah, at the end of the session, like maybe if I have right now, I will do it. Okay.
Um,
Here you need to specify Control Alt Insert. Just click on OK button. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Once again, here is the QTP and flight application. I will getting it to you.
Okay. So I just need to work on the flight application?
Yeah, that's enough here actually.
Okay.
Sirisha?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but can we do it tomorrow morning? I have to get on a conference call.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Here it is, flight application is coming up. Oh, sorry, I just do something. Okay, flight application is there in the desktop. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So this is now restarting.
Yeah, I think it is restarting. So now it is restarting. Okay. So after finishing this one, you can able to open the application normally. Okay.
Okay, like you show the screen, that screen which
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can.
exactly.
Okay.
Same. Resume the guest. So normally it is coming up. Okay, normally it is coming
Mm-hmm.
up. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. 1 second, guys. I'm taking a screenshot. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, tomorrow morning we'll meet back on same time. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow
And
morning.
what do I do with this? Like when it restarts, then I can start with my the everything that you taught.
What?
When this restarts, then I can start with all the things that you have taught us before. Like I can start working on QA.
Yeah, you can able to working on